In a quiet village where the wind hums lullabies, the Moonspinner invites a curious family to follow a silver thread into the night. They arrive at a glowing campfire ring where friendly fireflies braid light and a gentle bear serves cocoa made from starlight. Each child asks a question, and the Moonspinner answers with a tiny tale that teaches kindness, imagination, and the courage to dream. As the stories unfold, the surrounding pines lean closer, and the family finds that bedtime is a doorway to adventures that feel safe and cozy. When the ember fades, they carry a spark of wonder back to their room, ready for another magical night tomorrow.